I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by CoinKite.com, bringing you the best hardware to secure your Bitcoin. The cold card queue, the tab signer, the block log, and plenty more goodies can be found over at CoinKite.com. Use code BTC Sessions for a nice discount at checkout.
I read the white paper. I saw it as a solution to all of the problems, I myself face in this country, and the struggles that I face with politicians here, with corruption here. Like, my dad was murdered because of corruption in this country, because of one of the banks here. And over the last 6 years, you can actually see it touches like every asset or facet of this country. It touches energy, it touches mining. We have, a bauxite mine that they want to develop where they need a hydro dam for. But it would be much better if we do it for Bitcoin mining. We don't have a capital market. It's an Excel sheet that goes around on a laptop once a month right now. So no existing capital market, lack of financial infrastructure, financially isolated. Our banks are we have one correspondent bank that they're able to work with. We don't have Visa, MasterCard, no payment rails. So I saw Bitcoin as a solution to, the problems that my country was facing. And, being anti-government, anti-establishment, usually on the other side as a political activist coming out against corruption. It's funny for me to see, someone like Trump going on stage and talking about Bitcoin when a few years ago he was saying that it was, dog shit. And not like, I listened to the speech, but halfway through I kind of popped out because it doesn't feel like he actually understands what he's even talking about. And I've been in this industry. I've known Bitcoin long enough to actually be able to understand what it means and what it could potentially mean. I want to take it a step further than using it as a reserve or like a part of our national reserve, because that's even still the same thing that is not what Bitcoin is, right? You're using it as a part of the central bank's reserve. Like, the Genesis block was very specific with that news article. Right? Banks are getting bailed out again. This is exactly the system, the fractional reserve banking that we're fighting against. So I see an opportunity here because of the lack of infrastructure and because of the problems we're facing. Also with our currency, we're very small, agile. We have a lot of natural resources to take it a step further than El Salvador and replace our currency with Bitcoin.